It is difficult to find a girl now in her natural state. It is either they have fake asses, they have fake boobs, they have fake eyelashes, they have fake hair. Hey, my people, this one now one way our Nollywood papa, veteran actor Pete Edochie, can't talk to us. He said to see young girls right now, my people, where it they actually they natural now very difficult matter. It they like to ask elephant make it pass for the hole for a needle, my beautiful people. Another matter we will take talk about and about the birthday for this Nollywood actress Regina Daniels son Munny. Ah, my people, this Regina Daniels son cute, hey, handsome bobo. Una get as day yesterday we been a Munny birthday, my people. A lot of people were there, celebrities and all sorts of people. They enjoyed, my beautiful people. She could, in fact, she find herself say motherhood na better business. See how she dey jubilate, they go happy to celebrate her child's first birthday. Her mother self take joy in there, just the jolly. My people, but before one dive inside the matter, welcome to K&G TV, where we do celebrity gossip and social media wahala. Please do watch to the end and don't forget to subscribe. So my beautiful people, make we dive for the matter for today. This our Nollywood papa, Nollywood actor Pete Edochie. He don't come out, can't give am bomber to those people where they don't decide say na plastic surgery na dey fashion, as in na artificial boobs, artificial nyash, artificial hair, artificial eyelash. In fact, you don't the conquer now, you don't the fight with God wey take rate you. As in my people, anyways, before we over two chook mouth take put for the matter, we got to listen wait till this papa gets for talk. Yes, when we now listen, then we go come after come talk our own on top, because the papa makes sense die.
Today it is difficult to find a girl who is still what she is. You wear false hair, you wear false lashes, you wear false boobs, you wear false asses. I don't know what is still natural about you. Let's be honest. Why must our girls be obsessed with it? Why must they be obsessed with these things? I don't know. I would want them to insult me and tell me why they love those things. Yeah. I don't mind being insulted. I mean, I'm used to it. Yeah, come on. Insult me. It doesn't got any ass with me, you know. Some girls now die when they try to operate and inflate their asses. Well, may the good Lord help us.
May the good Lord really help us, my beautiful people. Hey, una don't hear the bungalow message where this our Nollywood actor take bring come out. He come with a full chest, as in he say may they call insulter. Say no be the big first time when they take insulter now. Say he don't receive insults, say they don't tire. But he won't say me these people we don't decide say now them suppose get fake asses. Now them suppose get fake boobs, fake latches, fake everything. Say nothing natural. It's supposed that their body again. Say make they can't answer, make they can't tell him the reason why they take they do what they do. Make they can't tell him what they play, as in what be the main reason. He can't talk, say they can't touch one way. My people, night they put talk for people mouth, as in during the process of this surgery, a lot they take infect their asses, their boobs, or take get deformities, where at the end of the day, my people, they take the regret why they take carry body put inside there. That's one now waiting where people they take talk, because a lot of people self don't still come out. My people can't talk, say me want do fake boobs before, but see now my boobs no can get shape because of waiting it take happen during the operation. Some don't self take lose their life, take go RIP. They don't let go because of this matter for fake asses and fake boobs. Now this our Nollywood actor don't come out say, may una come insult me or come take answer me call on top. If you take insult me but you answer me, wetin dey play? Me don't get wetin I want. That's one way e come out come talk. My people, wetin una think about the matter? I be wetin this our Nollywood actor take talk. This our veteran papa. Wetin he talk, it makes sense or it no make sense? Make una write for comment section wetin una think about the matter, my people. Make we die for the next matter when na this our Nollywood celebrity to join his son birthday munny. My people, then talk say motherhood it take get as e dey transform people. They talk say motherhood it take dey as e dey make people their body dey sweet dey go. If you never taste I pray say make you taste motherhood. Now see this our Nollywood celebrity as e come out since when she give birth to her child, she talk say a lot of things don change as per her life. As in she dey understand a lot of things now. My people, they celebrate her 1-year-old birthday, enjoyment everywhere. Actually see how my people she dey enjoy, she dey jolly as e dey sweet her body. My people, I say no be only matter for take gossip na e dey do me body. No be only matter say na when it take happen when person don rub their body for down na me I go take bring her out. No, even when na jubilation time or when they take do something wey take good, my people, me suppose come out still come celebrate with them. Me suppose come out still come jubilate with them, my people, because as e gets as e dey, gossip and amebo no suppose dey only for about bad things. E suppose jubilation things suppose act put on top. My beautiful people, I see and say no, let me come out. You see her mother take the party alongside. Her mother said they showcase her body, say me still dey young no be because I be grandmother. Her mother said still talk say she is very happy to be called the grandmother. My people, na 3 generations, so e no take easy. My people, I go leave this video for here, my beautiful people. But before we go, if you dey here you never subscribe to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please do well to subscribe to the channel. If you like wetin you dey see, make you no forget for turn on your post notification so that whenever we upload a video you go be amongst the first to be notified, my beautiful people.
Ready, come on, get ready. Now, you're not using your hands properly in the water. Naya, you're not using your hands properly in the water. Like you're not doing what I told you. Yeah. Push it back. As long as you're under the water. Yeah. That's the only way you can go fast. Otherwise, you're too slow inside the water. Go on and open your eyes. Want to go? Go. Come back, come on. Come back.